This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting components and confirming compatibility. This saves mistakes later. First, pick an LED rated for your system voltage, then match a battery with adequate mAh. Next, install a switch and a fuse inline. This protects the circuit. Once done, determine whether you need a resistor or a constant current driver based on LED type. Resistors suit single LEDs, drivers control multi-LED strips. Make sure connectors are secure and polarity is marked before any power is applied. Now you assemble the circuit step by step so it functions reliably. Start by soldering or crimping the battery positive to the fuse, then the switch, and onward to the LED positive. Return the LED negative to battery negative. Once that's secure, integrate a charging module matched to the battery chemistry. TP4056 works for one Li-ion cell, so you can safely recharge without removing cells. Also mount the LED on a heatsink to dissipate heat. Poor thermal management shortens lifespan. Finish by testing and securing the setup so it's reliable in use. First, bench test with a multimeter. Confirm battery voltage, check polarity, and measure current draw. Make sure values match LED specs. Once validated, mount the assembly, seal joints with shrink tubing or silicone for moisture protection, and secure cables with strain relief. If it doesn't light, start troubleshooting. Check the fuse, verify polarity. Confirm charger output and battery state. If brightness fluctuates, inspect connections and thermal contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.